Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change Your Plans with Angie. In today's video, we are going to be doing a plan with me for the week of Easter. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for returning. I'm happy that you are here. As I mentioned, this is going to be a plan with me. This is going to be in my Skinny Classic. The current week that we are in is April 14th through the 20th. And the 20th is Easter Sunday. So I thought it'd be super cute to make a really quick spread for Easter. So let's slide this over to the side. Let me show you the sticker books that I am going to be using. For the spread, I'm going to be using the Kellofaplan dots and checklists that just came out, as well as her Seasonal Teacher by Kellofaplan. Now, I know that I mentioned to you guys once before that you don't necessarily have to buy a sticker book because of what it says on the cover. Yes, I am not a teacher, but I think I got this book on clearance. It was like 40% off. And I mean, it literally has all the seasons in it. And I mean, nothing about that screams teacher to me. So I grabbed it. I thought it was a great deal. So that's what I'm going to be using. So let me just get some of this stuff out the way and we will get started. This will be a super quick video. All right, let's move this on in. And I want to start with the corner flower out of that sticker book. I think I'm going to use two, one on each side. And I just thought that is so crooked. Hang on. Let me focus on lining up this side first. Let's make life easy. That's better. And let me just go ahead and throw this one on while I'm already here. Okay, so we got like a little border going on. Then I want to throw down some boxes. So let's put a box here for Saturday. And then I want to use, maybe we can do like a green box over here. And I'm thinking like Easter Sunday. Do I want to put, trying to debate if I want to put two boxes on Friday. Yeah, let's do that. Let's overlap them. All right, and I might do some bullets here. I may do a bullet here, but at least I want to just get the boxes down first, and then we can figure out what we have going on. Wednesday is a big day for me. It is the release. Actually, I'm gonna slide this over. I can tell that I'm getting ready to cover up half of the word Wednesday. Wednesday is the launch of my sticker shop over on Etsy. If you missed that video, please go back and take a look at it. I think you will enjoy it. So I want to make sure that I have some space to write the things that I want to write there. And let's see. I think I just want to do a single box over here. Like I really want this to be super simple for this week. So we have that down. I want to look back at this book and see if there's anything else that I want to add to what I'm already thinking of doing. Let's see. Tuesday, I think I want to add just another box. Let's do a green one. Hang on. I want to make sure it's straight. And then I think that's good for the boxes. I'm not going to be doing anything planner related or video related for Sunday, so I'm cool with leaving that blank. And of course, Thursday, you know, I can do some bullets, so we'll do that. And then let's go in and grab some decorations. So I do have a sticker that says Easter Sunday. I know it is very faint because it is light pink. Let's see, I have a bunny. That would be cute to put right there for Sunday. I have some eggs. Do I want to do that? No, let's leave this for notes. Let's do some eggs. Normally here in my household, we like dyeing eggs, but with the prices of eggs, we will not be doing that this year. I see a lot of people online joking that they're going to be like dyeing potatoes and things like that, but like the prices for groceries is ridiculous right now. Here I have a cake, which is super cute. I could put that there, but I might even put it here. Just trying to see what I want to do. Do I want a cake? Yeah, I think that's cute. We'll put that there. That's kind of big. Let me see what else I may have. I have this floral arrangement. That's kind of cute. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this. Let's see if I can get it between, because I don't want to have to punch extra holes. Maybe I can just line that up right there. That's cute. Let's see, do I have any eggs, like single eggs? Let's see. There's a cluster. I kind of like that one. Bear with me. Like I said, we are winging it today. Let's do some little eggs over here to kind of close up this gap. You want to do one at an angle? Let's do it at an angle. I like how that's coming out. Let's see, I'm trying to see what else is in here, because I kind of want it to only pull from like one book. So there's a cluster. Let's see if I can get it out. Let me get my tools so I can get it out of this book. Got a single egg. Trying to see what I want to add right here. Let's do maybe like a little egg at an angle. That will be cute. All right, got another little egg, maybe right there. What do y'all think? How about I go ahead and put some dots in here, and then we can take a look and see if, if anything else is required. This is the new dots and checklist sticker book from Kellofaplan, and it literally, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but it has every single color, pastels, you know, Roy G. Biv colors, jewel tones, like you name it, it's in here. So there's some pastels right here. So let's maybe add like some kind of a list to kind of tie this all together. Trying to think. These are way too big and that's kind of small. Let me just stick with what I know, which is dots. And let's make life simple. Let's see. So the colors that we have right now are pink, this mint green and we have this tan. So maybe we can spruce it up by adding some additional colors. Let's see. Maybe I can incorporate some purple. Let's see. We'll do right there. And just add 2 right there. And I want to do something right here. What am I feeling? Maybe yellow, because this is yellow and that's kind of pink and yellow. Just to try to bring in a little more character to the spread. And we'll do one more right there. So now we have a place to write for all of the days. This is a busy day for me. Oh, let's put just a couple right there. Do I want to do that or checklist? Hang on. I'm trying to see how much space I might have. We could do yellow, green. Kind of still feeling that pink. Let's see. Can we do a checklist here? Yep. Let's do that instead of dots. All right, so now I can list out some things there. All right, let me just double check this book one last time and make sure there isn't anything else. Actually, I have a little bunny. Another little bunny, which could be super cute. I'm gonna put that bunny right there. Nope. Let's do a little bunny. Let's do them right here. And that way it's just nice and cute and simple. Also super pretty. I'm just checking one last thing. Actually, there's a happy spring. That could be cute. It does go with what we have going on. If I can get the sticker out of the book. Come on. And I think that would be cute. Oop, just right here. Boom. All right, I love it. I think that is super cute. So let's pop it back in. Let's see where we're in April. That goes there. Boom, there we are. That is so cute. I love that. So let's just put that all together and close this video on out. Also, if you guys have done an Easter spread, feel free to tag me. Also, just because I love telling y'all everything that I already see online, Kellofaplan, if you go to her Instagram page, it actually is funny because I was already thinking of doing this video and then I saw her post it. But if you use, she has like a special hashtag. If you use it while adding it to your post, you have an opportunity to win a gift card for her website. So yes, I do not mind telling y'all, yes, you know, that does lessen my chances of winning, but I want all of us to win. So feel free to go over there and take a look. And now that it's there, I will be entering this in, and it's just coincidence that I'm actually using her stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to like this video, comment so that the algorithm picks up and can recommend this to other people. Send this to a friend. You know, don't forget to also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Feel free to check me out over on Instagram. My personal account is Changeofplanswithangie. Now I have a business Instagram that is going to be for my business, Essential Joy, which I will also put right here on the screen for you. Feel free so you can come over there and like the photos, you know, follow it, and you'll see what's coming to my store. And we can be friends over there as well. So I am so happy that you guys are spending your day with me today. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.